Oh, bro, you felt that?
I did hear that one.
Alright guys, I'm going to jump in here and give you some quick context. Essentially what we're doing on this flight is going to do some practice approaches. We get up in the air, level off 3000, that's where the initial approach fix is for the ILS we were going to be shooting. So level off at 3000, start getting ready to brief the approach, get going, and as I pull power back, lost power for, I don't know how to describe it, milliseconds. So at this point, you know, we're done. Not playing around with this stuff. Essentially, this is the sequence of events that I'm going to let play out so you guys can see how this went. And hopefully you can learn from my mistake. If you listen at the beginning of the video, as I am taxiing and getting ready to take off, I make a comment that I'm not loving the way the engine feels. And, you know, sometimes we get this get-there-itis. We've all heard that, get-there-itis. We want to fly. We love flying. So sometimes we will, you know, not be able to see the forest through the trees, if you will. And looking back, again, in hindsight, I would have turned that plane around, tied it back down, squawked it, and went home. So, but we're very blessed, very lucky that we were able to make it back without any major issue. You'll notice when we're coming in on final approach, you know, I'm slipping it. I'm trying to lose altitude because we're trying to keep altitude as long as we can. That's the money in the bank, right? The altitude that you have. If you lose the engine, we have some time to find a suitable field to land in or somewhere safe to land. So with that said, it wasn't perfect center line. You can roast me if you want to. I don't care. Ultimately, my main focus was getting that airplane down on the ground safely so my buddy Owen and I could go home and live to fly another day. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope that you fly safe, and I hope that you make a better call next time you feel something weird with the engine than I did. So until the next video, we'll see you.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm with my good buddy Owen. We are going to go shoot some approaches on the ILS 34 Anson County for some check ride practice. So come along with us, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Goose Creek traffic, Cherokee 5833 Whiskey, departing for east departure. Goose. Clear left, clear right. Not loving the way the engine feels, I gotta be honest. This thing feels like she is just not, straight up not having a good time.
Yeah. No, I do feel it, like a little bit. But I think she'll improve. I have faith in old girl.
Alright, power set. Holding off for the nose. We got engine instruments in the green. Airspeed just came alive, 25 knots. Engine instruments look good. There's one notch. And there's our last notch. Flaps are 0. We're going to go ahead and bug our altitude for 3,000. And we're going to do a right turn on course. All right, let's pick up
remarks. Density altitude 2,500.
Charlotte Monroe Executive Airport.
Automated weather observation 2310 Zulu. Wind 03, 0 at 06. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 10,000. Temperature 28 Celsius. Dew point 20 Celsius. Altimeter 2987. Remarks. Density altitude 2,500.
Okay, go ahead and CRM me Anson County's ASOS, please. And if you're feeling froggy, go ahead and pull up my ILS 34 approach plate. What a guy. What a guy.
Sure thing, Poppy.
Just a nice guy.
We be trying. We be trying from time to
We
time.
be out here being nice.
This man's got Concord, everything in here. All those plates saved. Alright, procedure approach. We're going to use the ILS 34, and there it is. It's up for you.
Alright, I'm going to give you the controls for a minute so I get these foggles situated. Your controls.
My controls.
Your controls.
Are we climbing 3,000? We are.
Yes, climbing 3,000, bugged. All of my face and head accessories right now, I don't know what to do. 100 to go. Alright, my controls.
Your controls.
My controls.
I would set both altimeters to the current altimeter setting.
2987 and 2987. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, so near traffic, just a 564.
Let her stretch out a little bit here.
You know Xavier?
No. You asked me this yesterday on the phone.
You said what?
You asked me this yesterday on the phone.
You met him on the phone?
I said you asked me on the phone yesterday if I knew who that was.
Oh, you did.
Oh, bro, you felt that?
I did hear that one. It's riching it up a little bit.
It's rich. We about to go back, bro.
I don't blame you. There, 10 toggles off.
Alright.
Alright. There you go, there's your direct course. We're gonna just kind of enter in on a left base for 2-2. Here, well.
We got fields. I see there's plenty of fields if we got to.
RP is...
You got me direct goose?
I do.
Alright.
We already got I got the water tower in sight. I got the golf course in sight. Yeah, we're kind of set up for a decent just left base right now.
Is that right here off my my 11 o'clock?
We're about 6.5 miles out. I don't see it just yet.
I believe I see goose off my 11 o'clock. What do you see?
I see it now.
All right. All right, neutral. We did an idle check and she stayed alive, so.
9er Celsius. Altimeter 2988. Remarks. Density altitude 2,400.
Charlotte Monroe Executive Airport.
Do you have the
Automated
airport?
weather observation 2317 Zulu. Wind 060 at 05.
5 knots, it's doable.
All right, we need to get down to pattern altitude. All right, 1600. You got me at, yep. All right. We're not in the wide arc yet.
Gastonia traffic, Cessna 56 Alpha Tango, turning base runway 3, Gastonia.
I've got the field. I've got the pond. We're clear on traffic at the moment.
Oil temp, fuel pressure, oil pressure. Brain.
Got a good descent going right now. We're seeing the same thing right here, right?
I do see it. Yeah, let's
Okay.
get on down.
Huh?
So let's get on down.
Goose Creek traffic, Cherokee 5833 Whiskey, left base 22 Goose Creek.
Yeah.
Try to slow us up a little bit so I can get some flaps in.
Goose Creek, 33 Whiskey, short final, runway 22, full stop, Goose Creek. Alright, you got runway made.
And we live to fight another day, my dog.
Yeah, we do.